So, you just got your brand new PS5 and you're excited to dive into the world of next-gen gaming. But wait, what's this? An error code? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're going to show you how to fix the PS5 error code NW-102254-4. First things first, let's understand what this error code means. The NW-102254-4 error code usually occurs when there's an issue with your internet connection. It could be a problem with your router, your ISP, or even the PSN servers themselves. But fear not, we'll walk you through the steps to get you back in the game. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your PS5 is connected to the internet and that your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable is properly plugged in. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router to ensure a strong signal. If you're using an Ethernet cable, make sure it's securely connected to both your PS5 and your router. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes a simple router reboot can fix connectivity issues. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to fully restart and reconnect to the internet. Step 3. Test your internet connection. On your PS5, go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection. This will check if your PS5 can successfully connect to the internet and retrieve the necessary data. If the test shows that your internet connection is working fine, but you're still encountering the error code, it's possible that the issue lies with the PSN servers. In this case, you can try waiting for a while and then attempting to connect again later. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's recommended to reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They have a dedicated team that can help troubleshoot and resolve any persistent error codes. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to fix the PS5 error code NW-102254-4. We hope this helps you get back to gaming in no time. Remember, if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy gaming.